In the previous video, we have discussed some divisibility rules up to 6, means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this discussion, we will start with divisibility 8 of any number, then 9, then 11. Okay, so first start with the divisibility by 8. A number having 4 or more digits, okay, is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Means what? We have to follow only one rule. We have to see only last 3 digits. If it is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Now see here, for example, the number 54, 37, 0, 24 is divisible by 8 since last 3 digits 0 to 4 is divisible by 3. 8 3 are 24, so the whole number will be divisible by 8. It is quite simpler. Okay, so let us take an example in written. Now see, it is example 98, 76, 0, 1, 16. Okay, so this is one example and this is another example. Okay, we have to see only last 3 digits, means ones, tens, 100. We have to see the last, mean rise most 3 digits. Here 16 is there. 16 is a multiple of 8, or you can say it is divisible by 8, so the whole number will be divisible by 8. Similarly, 58, 32, 000, 00, it is not a multiple of 8, okay, and it is not divisible by 8, so that's why this number is not divisible by 8, but it is divisible by 10. As you can say here, 10 and 5 also, and 2 also, because at the last place if 0 is there, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 5, and it is divisible by 10 also. Okay, or the multiple of 10. So now see here, what will be the statement? Statement will be the same. Okay, what you will write here? You will write here last 3 digits. Okay, what you will write here? Last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Okay, so it is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. Similarly, last 3 digits are not divisible by 8, so it is not divisible by 8. Okay, now next see the example of 9. Now see the divisibility by 9. It is quite similar to 3, because it is a multiple of 3, so it is quite similar to 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Similar is the case of 3. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. And here is sum of its digit is divisible by 9, then the whole number will be divisible by 9. Okay, let us take a written example. We have taken 2 examples, 2709 and another one is 3721. Take here example. Now sum of its digit 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 9, and what is that? That is 2 plus 7 9 plus 0 9 plus 9 18. Okay, it is divisible by 9, so the whole number will be divisible by 9. Again 3721, and what is that? 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 7 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13. Okay, so it is not divisible by 9. So what will be the statement? Sum of its digit is divisible by 9, so the whole number will be, or it is divisible by 9. Here will be, what will be the statement? Sum of its digit is not divisible by 9, so it is not divisible by 9. I have told you in the previous video that no need to write tell you again and again what will be the statement. You will be habitual by doing this. What will be the statement? So next, moving to the next example, we will take the example of 11. Okay, a number is divisible by 11 if sum of alternate digits alternate, I will tell you what is the meaning of alternate, is either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay, either 0 or divisible by 0. Okay, two cases are there. Okay, a number is divisible by 11. Okay, if the difference of what? Difference of, here is the another statement, sum of alternate digits. Sum of alternate digit is either 0 or divisible by 11. Okay, so it is little bit difficult. I will make you understand by the written example. Okay, so let us take a written example here. So here are two examples, one is 792 and another one is 3839. So what are we going to do here? First, alternate numbers. All of you know that alternate means was, okay, alternate means if you are taking this, then you will leave this and take this. Means what? 7 and 2, you will take 7 and 2. Okay, and what is the next number? 9 is remaining. Okay, suppose maybe here a number you may take 9 and that number. So here only 3 numbers are there, so we are taking the alternate numbers. 7, skip the 9, then go to 2. 7 and 2. Okay, what is the definition? Definition was that sum of alternate numbers and their difference. What is the meaning of difference? Sum of alternate numbers is here, this and this you have taken, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, and another alternate number is 9. Their difference is either 0 or multiple of 11. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then that number is divisible by 11. Okay, so here we are getting some difference is 0, so that's why the number is divisible by 11. Next number is make you more clear. Alternate number means was this and this. Okay, you will take what? 3, 3, 8, 9. Okay, their difference. What is the meaning of difference? Difference I have told you in another video. Difference means to subtract a smaller value from the bigger value. Okay, so here is what alternate numbers are, what? 3, 3. You will add here 3, 3. Okay, just write it in a bracket. Okay, another number is what? 8 plus 9. Write it in another bracket. It is what? It is 6 and it is what? 17. Okay, 17. So this is what? Now find the difference. Difference means to subtract 6 from the 17. 17 minus 6 is equal to what? 11. Okay, 11, either 0 or 11. Remember the definition. Either 0 or divisible by 11. Either 0 or divisible by 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Suppose you are getting here 22. 22 is also divisible by 11. So the whole number will be divisible by 11. Okay, so we have understood that the divisibility of numbers from 2 up to 11, that how can they be divided with the help of hard and fast rule, not by the traditional way. Thanks for watching.